Start attempting the question. First question. Good morning, everyone. Vishal, Sarmila, Shrutika, Divya, Merunisha. Good morning, beta. Keshav, good morning. Shrutika, first answer is C. What is the question here is, if x square kx plus 6, that is x plus 2, x plus 3, for all x, find the value of k. K can be what value? Nothing, you have to multiply this side. It is exactly coming as x square plus 6x plus 6 will be, x square plus 5x plus 6 will be coming x square plus 5x plus 6. You know that in an equation left side is equal to right side. So this side if you will multiply, x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 will be coming. 2x plus 3x will become 5x. So x square plus 5x plus 6, and this side is x square plus kx plus 6. So equating the like term, kx will be equal to 5x. So it is going to be 5. It is going to be 5. Absolutely, those who have given answer C, they are absolutely correct. Shall we go for the next question? The degree of polynomial. What will be the highest degree of this polynomial? What will be the highest degree of this polynomial? 0, 5, which one is going to be the correct answer? 0, 5, 3 and 2. Degree of the polynomial. Which one is going to be the degree of polynomial? 5 is going to be the degree of polynomial, because when base is same, power is added. When base is same, power is added, this and this will be there. So x cube and x square will be there. Then base will be exactly x into x. 3 plus 2 will become 5. So x to the power 5. The highest degree will be coming x to the power 5. Answer is absolutely correct. Shall we go for the next question? Started, everyone? Sharmila answered B. Now the degree of the polynomial 2 minus y square minus y cube. What will be the degree of polynomial? What will be the degree of polynomial 2 minus y square minus y cube plus 2 to the power y7. So this is also given 2 to the power plus 2 to the power. It is also given plus 2 to the power y7. So what could be the answer? 7 could be the answer. So answer is exactly 7. Yes, because last plus one more term is given there. That is 2y to the power 7 is the correct answer. 2y to the power 7 is the correct answer. Okay, shall we go for the next one? The degree of zeros. The degree of zeros of polynomial is the degree of zeros of polynomial. What will be the degree of zero polynomial? What can be the degree of zero polynomial? Okay, let's see. Merunisa is telling E as answer. Keshav is telling A as answer. Good morning, Jiva. No problem. Start answering the questions. The degree of zero polynomial. What could be the degree of zero polynomial? Yes, zero polynomial means what, beta? The degree will be 0. Okay, so it will be a constant number. It will be a constant number. And if somebody will be asking you that what is a linear polynomial, so linear polynomial means degree will be 1. So then it will be a case of linear polynomial. Now what is the coefficient of x square in the polynomial? Identify the coefficient of x square in the polynomial. What is the coefficient of x square in the polynomial? Go for it. What is the coefficient of x square? Yes, beta, that will be degree 1. What is the coefficient of x square here? What is the coefficient of x square here? Come on. What is the coefficient of x square here? Coefficient of x square here, 100% the coefficient of x square is pi by 6. So answer will be 3. Pi by 6, so answer will be 3. The coefficient of x square is pi by 6. So answer is 3. Absolutely correct. Now 1 plus 3x cube is an example of monomial, binomial, trinomial, or none of this. One plus x cube. Question number 3, what is there to understand question number 3? What is there to understand question number 3? Oh, surface area and volume. I'll discuss beta. I'll discuss that question. Okay, that question set is not there. That question set was separate. This question set different. Okay, now go for this question. 1 plus 3x cube is an example of monomial, binomial, trinomial, none of this. It is an example of monomial, binomial, trinomial. Answer for fourth. Degree of 0 polynomial. A is the answer, na? A is the answer. Vishal, A is the answer for fourth question. A is the answer for fourth question. Okay, now look here. 1 plus 3x to the power cube is an example of sixth answer. Everyone give. Sixth answer. They are asking degree of 0 polynomial. A polynomial which is 0. What is the degree of 0 polynomial? Okay, I'm going to explain this one. Wait. I think linear, then quadratic, then biquadratic. Just 1 minute. 1 minute, I'm going to explain. So when we are talking about constant polynomial, 4 is a constant polynomial. 4 is a constant polynomial, then its degree will be 0. Okay, 4 is a constant polynomial, so its degree is 0. I think he's thinking about 0 into any polynomial. So that's what it is exactly going to 0 polynomial. Means the polynomial which itself will become 0. Because zeros of polynomial they are not asking. Zeros of polynomial they are not asking. Linear polynomial means degree is 1. Quadratic degree is 2. Quadratic polynomial degree is 2. Quadratic polynomial, what is the degree? For quadratic polynomial degree is 2. Quadratic polynomial degree is 2. So now let's check this one out. Okay, degree of zero polynomial. Here zeros of polynomial, no, zero polynomial degree they are asking. So degree of zero polynomial is, here options are 0, 1, any natural number not defined. Constant polynomial, here it is not written. Okay Vishal, I think what you are telling, I have to consider that point, because here two things are there, the degree of zero polynomial. So if zero polynomial is there, constant polynomial means because anything to the power 0 is 1. Anything to the power 0 is 1. So if any constant polynomial I am taking, then its degree will be 0. Constant polynomial degree will be 0. His confusion is correct only. His confusion. Rahul, good evening. Good morning, beta. In your textbook, it is directly given. In your textbook, for non-zero it is 0, but for 0 polynomial it is not defined. I think Vishal is correct. For non-zero it is exactly constant polynomial. The two words are there. I think at the time of teaching I have discussed this point with you all. If you will see the polynomial, I think I have discussed this point, because when Vishal asked this question, I think when Vishal asked this question, one more time I considered this point, because directly it is zero polynomial. Shruti, directly it is going for zero polynomial. I think one time you should reconsider this point. One time you should reconsider this point. I'm not confusing you in the last time. I'm just telling you one thing. Constant polynomial means degree is exactly going to be 0. Constant polynomial degree is 0. Zero polynomial means if somebody will be hitting 0 polynomial, at that time 0 polynomial means it's a 0 into any number multiplied will become 0. Then that time whatever could be the degree, we are independent of that. That time whatever could be the, yes Darshini, but I am not reading anyone's message. Ashwin, good morning beta. I didn't read anyone's message beta. Just 1 minute, I'm going to read your message. I'm going to read out your comment. So now look here beta. So that is what I think confusion is there. Now next question is, what is the coefficient of x square? I think now first you talked about this one, that 1 plus 3x cube, 1 plus 3 to the power x cube is an example of monomial, binomial, trinomial. I think I am going to answer one more time. I think 1 and this one, because not defined is also one of the option. So since not defined will be there, I think I should go for not defined, because constant polynomial degree is 0. Constant polynomial degree is 0. Constant polynomial, I itself taught this point. Yes, constant polynomial degree is 0. So now look here. 1 plus 3x cube will be there. So 1 plus 3x whole cube will be there. I'm going to check that one in your book. So 39 and 27, 27x cube. When you will open this, 4 terms are coming. 4 terms are coming, that is 1 plus 27x cube plus 3x plus 9x square. But it is exactly not trinomial. It is not trinomial. Yes, Ashwin. So it is trinomial. I think it is trinomial. So none of this will be answer. Sixth answer, none of this will be there. Hey, here answer is written here. Wait. First answer C, second answer B, third answer B, fourth answer D. Our question was fourth now. Yes, fourth answer not defined only is there. Fourth answer not defined is only there. Fourth answer not defined is only there. In this set answer is given. Answer of 6 questions, 5 questions, 6 exactly not defined only. Not defined. One more time from NCERT book we will see. No problem. Go for this question. 0 of the 0 polynomial is 0 of the 0 polynomial is 0 of the 0 polynomial is, now say 0 of the 0 polynomial, 0 of the 0 polynomial is 0 of the 0 polynomial. zeros of the zero polynomial. So 0 of the zero polynomial. Here you have to exactly search and say the answer. Any real number, 0 of the zero polynomial. 0 of the zero polynomial. Now again it is going to confuse you. 0 of the zero polynomial. Why it is not going to be d? Why it is not going to be 0 of the zero polynomial? What is zero polynomial? Zero polynomial is not defined. So 0 of the zero polynomial will be what? 0 of the polynomial. First you solve this one, then you will be able to solve the previous one. P of x equal to cx plus d. To get it 0, you have to make it equal to 0. So x will be equal to minus d by c. X will be equal to minus d by c. NCERT book I have to check one time. X will be equal to minus d by c. Zeros of the zero polynomial. Zeros of the zero polynomial. Zeros of the zero polynomial is going to be C. Absolutely correct. Ashwin, don't get confused. I just confused you. Zeros of the zero polynomial will be any real number. Any real number. Because exactly it is going to multiply with a 0. So any real number multiplied with 0 will become 0. But it will be any real number. It can be any real number. The 0 of the polynomial P of x is 2x plus 5. Now quickly answer these questions. These are very easy questions, beta. Oh, you have given answer for the second question. Okay, beta. Now the 0 of the polynomial P of x is 2x plus 5. What will be the answer? Third answer? Very good. Third answer is minus 5 by 2. Why? Because you have to exactly make 2x plus 5 equal to 0. So x will be equal to minus 5 by 2. X will be equal to minus 5 by 2. X will be equal to minus 5 by 2. Check everyone. It is going to be x will be equal to minus 5 by 2. Yes, answer is CDD. That is correct. Shall we go for this question? When P of x is divided by ax minus b, then the remainder is, what could be the remainder here? When P of x is divided by ax minus b, then the remainder is, what could be the remainder in this case? When P of x is divided by ax minus b, in previous set you have not understood the question. Zeros of zeros, zero polynomial is, means a polynomial which is exactly, if somebody will be asking you what is the degree of a zero polynomial, see, zeros of a zero polynomial, it can be any real number, because beta the polynomial which itself is 0, its degree cannot be defined. Its degree cannot be defined because degree can be anything. But the polynomial part, which x, you just take that a zero polynomial is there, so that variable can be anything, number can be coming 0, variable can be anything, number can be coming 0, so that number part can be multiplied to any real number. If it will, I am multiplying 0 with any real number, then it will always come 0 now. I am multiplying 0 with any real number, it is always coming 0. 0 multiplied to 4 is 0, 0 multiplied to 3 is 0, 0 multiplied to any variable whose power is 4. It will always be, the variable power will not be defined, because that variable power will be, can be anything. Now here this part over. So now this question answer you give, when P of x is divided by ax minus b, then remainder can be, so we know what we are going to do. When P of x is divided by ax minus b. So ax minus b is going to divide p of x. Then what could be the remainder? According to, remember, okay, I'm just going to move, sorry. Yeah, I just moved. Tell me the answer here. What will be the answer? Very good. The answer can be make px equal to exactly, for the time of remainder theorem, it will be exactly p by a, p by b, p by a. How it will be p by a? How it will be p by a? Okay, I have to go towards you. If I'm going that side, I'm unable to, I'm covering the screen. So this part, so whatever will be, the remainder will be coming as p of b by a. The remainder part will be coming as p of b by a. D is the correct answer. Shall we go for this question? If x minus 1 is a factor of this, then find the value of k. Use remainder theorem and tell the answer. If x minus 1 is a factor of p of x, then what is the value of k? If x minus 1 is a factor of p of x, then what is the value of k? X minus 1 is a factor of p of x, then what is the value of k? What is the value of k? Answer is C, absolutely, because you have to make x minus 1 equal to 0. So x minus 1 equal to 0, to get the value of k, you have to make x minus 1 equal to 0. So x is coming as 1. Substitute here 1. Then 1 plus k equal to 0. So k will be equal to minus 2. So correct answer will be C, k is coming as minus 2. Absolutely correct, Rahul. I think everyone has given correct answer. Vishal started. Vishal, Sarmila, Keshav, Sarmila, Rahul, Ashwin. They have given the correct answers. Okay. Shall we go for the next one? Question is incomplete. In which of the following, let me complete the question. In which of the following, I'll take this one. X plus 2 is a factor. In which of the following x plus 2 is a factor? In which of the following x plus 2 is a factor? This plus x square minus x minus 10. Sorry, minus x minus 19. So go for the last one. I'm just moving from here. Just tell me. Here minus 2x cube is there, plus x square minus x plus minus 19. Plus x square, just if I'll go that side, I'll see the question. Yes, minus 2x cube minus plus x square minus x minus 19. So which one is exactly, in which of the following x plus 2 is a factor? In which of the following x plus 2 is a factor? In which of the following x plus 2 is a factor? Check nicely. So x plus 2 is a factor means x plus 2 will be equal to 0. So x is coming as minus 2. X equal to minus 2 will satisfy which one? First one no. Second one. Third one no. Which one is going to be answered? Question 11, which one is going to be answered? Now we are going to substitute x equal to minus 2. Check in this one. Is it going to be the answer? A is going to be the answer. Okay. We are going to check x plus 2 is a factor of this or not. So we are going to just substitute second answer. What is the answer? Now 4x cube minus 13x plus 6 is there. So it is exactly going to be how much? It is going to be 4 into 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Minus 13 into minus 2 plus 6 is there. So it is exactly going to be minus 32 minus into minus plus 26 plus 6. So now it is going to be minus 26 because this part will become 32. Minus 26 plus 26 equal to 0. So answer is going to be absolutely correct. Now you are going in correct track. Now question is, one of the factor of this one, one of the factor of 16x square minus 1 plus 1 minus 4y square. What could be one of the factor? 16x square minus 1 plus 1 minus 4y square. What could be the factor here? What could be the factor here? Try this question out. Okay, everyone has started giving answer for this. Now look here beta. What could be the factor of 16y square minus 1 plus 4y square? So here 16y square minus 1 plus 1 minus, okay, here it is going to be 16y square minus 1, 16y square minus 1, here it is 1 minus 4y square. So it is plus 1 plus 16y square and then minus 2 4s are 8y. So here minus 1 plus 1 got cancelled. 6 6 12, 32y square, 32y square, 32y square minus 8y. So here it is going to be 8y if we will take common. So it will be so 8y is coming. That is whole square. 16y square minus 1 and this is whole square. So since this part will be whole square, I solved that one. 16y square minus 1, it is coming as 1 plus 4y is 16y square and minus 2 4s are 8y. So minus 1 plus 1 got cancelled beta. So this is going to be 32y square minus 8y. So what could be the answer? Darshini, answer will be A. Check everyone nicely. How can answer be A? I have solved in front of you. Now you itself think. I have solved in front of you. Now you only have to think what could be the answer. Answer is coming as C. Still answer is going to come as C. Think about it. Ashwin, answer is C option or D option? 8y, I have solved the answer. I have solved. Check everyone. Everyone check this one. I am going to solve this question. Again I am going to solve. Question is 16y square minus 1 plus 4y whole square. 16y square minus 1 16y square minus 1 plus 4y minus 1 whole square. 16y square minus 1. This part is a minus b whole square. So 4y means 16y square. This is plus 1 and then minus 2 4s are 8y. So plus 1 minus 1 got cancelled. 16y square 16y square 32y square minus 8y. So 4y is there. So when we are going to take 8y, that is coming as 4y minus 1. Yes, 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4y or 4y minus 1, if we are going to write a minus b whole square or b minus a whole square, they both are same. They both are same. For square, they both are same. Because a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. B minus a whole square is b square plus a square minus 2ab. In addition, if you will be writing, they both will be same. Yes, so 4y minus 1 is left common. 4y minus 1 is left common. Is there 4y minus 1 there? So here in the options, you see 4 plus y is there, 4 minus y is there, 4y plus 1 is there and 8y is there. So which one is going to be answered? Your content is 4y minus 1, 8y. Now tell what the answer is going to come. So tell what answer is going to come. What answer is going to come? Quickly say yes. Correct only. Yes. Answer is D only. Now check for this question, beta. If x by y plus y by x equal to minus 1, then the value of x cube plus y cube will be what? Then the value of x cube plus x, then the value of x cube minus y cube. I am going to solve this question outside because space is not there. If question is, you try this question first. If x cube, x by y plus y by x equal to minus 1 and xy is not equal to 0, then the value of x cube minus y cube will be what? Then the value of x cube minus y cube will be what? You have to say the answer. What will be the value of x cube minus y cube here? What will be the value of x cube minus y cube? Okay, Vishal is telling answer is D. The value of x cube minus y cube is going to be D. Sarmila is also telling answer is D. Now look here. Here in this question they are telling x by y plus y by x equal to minus 1. So first we will multiply this one, cross multiply, just solve this one. Then they are telling what is the value of x cube minus y cube. Now just take LCM and we will see, because they have given x by y plus y by x equal to minus 1. So it is coming as x square, this is coming as y square and denominator part is coming xy equal to minus 1. So multiply this one. So x square plus y square minus xy equal to minus xy, shift this one that side. So x square plus y square plus xy is coming as 0. Okay, x square plus y square plus xy is coming as 0. equation 1. Now they are asking the value of this one. Open this one. Its formula is x minus y x square plus y square plus xy. Now this value is coming as 0 from equation 1. So it is coming as, this part will become 0. So answer is coming as x cube minus y cube. So this part will become 0. So x cube minus y cube is equal to this. So 100% x cube minus y cube is coming as 0. X cube minus y cube is coming as 0. Kanishka, so late. Next question is a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca will be equal to what? A square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca will be equal to what? I think I showed you the answer. Okay, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca will be equal to what? There is a formula for this. Thank you, CB. It's not outfit here. I didn't got time to get ready. X square plus y square, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca equal to what answer is going to be correct? Which answer is going to be correct? Which answer is going to be correct? A square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca will be equal to which one? Now I am going to tell answer for this one. Exactly one formula is there. So now look here beta. A square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. Now what could be the answer here? First, we have to understand one thing, that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, that formula part is coming now. That formula part is anti-net problem is coming, Kanishka. Okay, no problem. We'll just try to, we are solving question only. So here, if I am going to do one thing, a square plus b square plus c square, I am going to multiply each term by 2. And then I am going to divide each term by 2. Then what will happen? 1 by 2 is coming. Okay, 1 by 2 is coming. Then this part is coming as 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ac. Okay, so now half is outside. Now one time I am taking a square plus b square plus 2ab. So now here a square plus b square I have taken. So a square plus b square can be written as a square plus a square. A square plus a square, it can be written as a square plus a square. It can be written as a square plus a square. It can be written as b square plus b square. It can be written as c square plus c square. And then minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ac. So now what I am going to do here is, I am just taking a square and b square. If I am taking a square plus b square, these two I have taken, then I am going to take minus 2ab with this. Now I am taking b square plus c square, this time minus 2bc, this one I am going to take, and then a square plus c square, this time minus 2ac I have taken. So this part is going to be half outside. This part is going to be a minus b whole square, half outside. That part is going to be fixed. Here b minus c whole square, and then here c minus a whole square. Okay, then it is going to be c minus a whole square. I hope you might have understood this one. Kanishka, everyone tell me, quickly tell me, you understood? Understood now. So just one means when this part is going to give you and they will be giving you options, don't go for direct answer, because here 2 is missing. Okay, so since 2 is missing, then you divide it by 2, multiply it by 2. You see, very systematically we solve the question, very systematically. That's why I solved this question and showed it to you, that when this type of questions will be coming, you have to be a bit careful and then you have to attempt the question. Okay, now we'll go for next one. I think we have discussed this question. 2 mark question we don't have to do now. Now quadrilateral questions. Let's see how you are going to say the answer. It's quite big question, so I think in a quadrilateral ABCD, angle A equal to 90 degree, AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, then ABCD is what? Then what will be ABCD? In a quadrilateral ABCD, what can be this answer? I think you should not take time to go for this question. Very good, Rahul. Super. So it's a square. Avinash is telling Keshav. Very good, Kanishka, Avinash. Everyone is telling answer is C. Yes, because most important thing here is that when we are talking about A, B, C, D. So when we are talking about A, B, C, D. So here it is written that angle A is coming as 90 degree. So we know that opposite angle sum will become 90 degree. Adjacent angle sum. So all 90 degree, and the most important thing is this equal to this equal to this equal to this. All the 4 sides are equal. So since all the 4 sides are equal, so 100% it is going to be a square. So sides equal and each angle subtending 90 degree. So it is exactly going to be a square. Shall we go for next question? A quadrilateral whose diagonals are equal and bisect each other at right angle is? A quadrilateral whose diagonals are equal and bisect each other at right angle. Bisecting each other at right angle, which can be possible? The quadrilateral whose diagonals are equal and bisecting each other at right angle. Diagonals are equal and bisecting each other at right angle. Diagonals are equal and bisecting each other at right angle. What could be the answer? Bisecting each other at right angle. The diagonals whose the quadrilateral whose diagonals are equal. In rhombus, diagonals are not equal. In rhombus, diagonals are not equal. In square, in rhombus, diagonals are not equal. We have to be very careful. In rhombus, diagonals are not equal. Okay. Next is in square, in trapezium, it is not possible. In rectangle, diagonals are equal but perpendicular not there. So only square is the option left. Only square is the, it can be B also. It is going to be D or B. The correct answer here will be B. The correct answer here will be B, square. Because the square, in square diagonals are equal, and not only diagonals are equal, the diagonals are bisecting each other at right angle. The diagonals are bisecting each other. Yes, Ashwin. Yes. Diplomatic answer, rectangle. It can be rectangle also. Check it. Check this part out. Ashwin is telling it can be rectangle also, so I am proving it. In rectangle, Ashwin, prove it. How to prove this one? The diagonals are equal, you can prove. Diagonals are equal, you can prove. Okay. then how it is going to be? Diagonals are equal, you can prove. Then prove it, it is exactly going to be right angle. Square is going to be answer. Appa, I am not asking about opposite sides are parallel or not. I am saying B is the answer. You are saying B, both B and D. Both B and D. So only I am asking from you. Prove that rectangle diagonals are perpendicular. Okay. So do one thing. Prove it that rectangle diagonals are perpendicular and show it to me after class. Is it seen clearly? All the angles of a convex quadrilateral are congruent. All the angles of convex quadrilateral are congruent. So when you will be? Yes, opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. I am asking diagonals. I am asking diagonals. Opposite sides are parallel for both rectangle and square. Sorry, I am using mobile today, so I have to come here and check to read your answers. My specs are also somewhere. I didn't got my specs. What type of quadrilateral it is? All the angles of a convex quadrilateral are congruent. However, not all the sides are congruent. See, convex means complete figure will be there. Complete figure will be there. Concave part like this part will be there, but when convex will be there, it will be complete figure, it will be there. Okay, so they are telling that all angles of convex quadrilateral are congruent. Means now this is a convex quadrilateral enclosed figure. So now all angles are equal. So all angles of a convex quadrilateral are equal. Okay, all angle of a convex quadrilateral are equal. However, not all sides are equal. So angles are equal but sides are not equal. So if angles are equal, then sides are not equal, then only one case will be there. Because if angles will be equal, all angles of convex quadrilateral are equal and sides are also equal, then it is exactly going to make a square. Okay, but all angles are equal and sides are not equal, then it is going to be, because in parallelogram also we cannot justify that. So only it is possible in square and rectangle. So if all sides are not equal, that means opposite sides can only be equal. So it's a case of rectangle. Absolutely correct. It's a case of rectangle. It will not be a case of parallelogram. We cannot justify. That's why I told. And it's not be a case of trapezium. Square means all sides equal. Now opposite, not all the sides will be equal statement when it is written. So it will be nicely supported by only rectangle. It will be nicely supported by only rectangle. Now next question is, in a quadrilateral ABCD, AB equal to BC and CD equal to DA, then the quadrilateral is a parallelogram, rhombus, kite, trapezium. This question belongs to you. I am coming to you to check the answer. What can be the answer here? In a quadrilateral ABCD, AB equal to BC and CD equal to DA, then the quadrilateral is parallelogram. In parallelogram also opposite sides are equal. In parallelogram also opposite sides are equal. Screen is totally blurred for me. I am unable to read. Somehow I am managing. In a quadrilateral ABCD, AB is equal to BC only, na? Correct. and CD equal to DA, AB equal to BC only written. So what can be the answer? The answer is exactly kite, absolutely correct. Why? Because in a quadrilateral ABCD, AB equal to BC, so it's going to be a kite. Now go for this. Which of the following is not true for parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, opposite angles are bisected by diagonals, diagonals bisect each other. Which is exactly the correct answer here? Select the correct answer here. 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 Which one is not possible here? Yes, opposite angles are bisected by diagonals. It is not true. The diagonals are bisecting each other. Means in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. True. Opposite angles are equal. True. Opposite angles are bisected by diagonals. Opposite angles are bisected by diagonal. It is nowhere written that the diagonal will bisect it into two equal half. This concept is wrong. Diagonal bisect each other. Yes, the diagonals are bisecting each other. Diagonals are bisecting each other. Absolutely correct, Avinash. See, I am able to read nearby whosoever names are coming. That names I am seeing because mobile I didn't. In Haribari I started class. Ashwarya, see, in between Avinash, Ashwarya name is there. So only I saw change and I came and checked. Okay. Now look here. 6 is that if APB and CQD are parallel lines and a transversal, PQ cuts them at P and Q, then the bisector of angle APQ, BPQ, CQP and PQD form a rectangle, rhombus, square, any other parallelogram. What a question. What a question. Ashwarya, Avinash, Kanishka, Keshav, Vishal. Okay, all have given answer. Go for question number 6. APB and CQD are parallel lines. APB, CQD are parallel lines and a transversal PQ cuts them at P and Q. Then the bisector of angle APQ I have made it a parallel line, perpendicular line. Bisector and BPQ and CQP APB and CQD are parallel lines. Bisector of APQ. AQPQ bisector, if I am going to APB and CQD are parallel lines. Wait, it is not going to meet. and a transversal PQ cuts them at P and Q. Then the bisector of angle APQ it is going to form what? The bisector is exactly going to form rectangle, rhombus, square. Square not possible because we can wholly go with other parallelogram is not possible. Here bisector is there, so we can prove that the opposite sides are equal at least. We can prove opposite sides are equal, so correct answer will be rectangle. Correct answer will be rectangle. We can prove it, beta. We can prove it. Right now we don't have time because other chapters are also there. We can prove it. It can be a rectangle. It can be a rectangle but not a parallelogram because here it is coming like this. Bisectors are coming like this. So we can prove it is 90 degree. We can prove it is 90 degree. Okay. So a square means all sides equal. That is not possible. It can be a rectangle. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a parallelogram? Rhombus, rectangle, trapezium or square? Just check this question out and tell the question and answer as fast as possible. Which of the following is not a parallelogram? Rhombus, rectangle, trapezium, square. Which of the following is not a parallelogram? Quickly say the answer. Which of the following is not a parallelogram? Rhombus, trapezium, rectangle. So correct answer will be trapezium. Now next question is, a diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two triangles, two congruent triangles, two triangles of equal area, all the above. A diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into, what can a diagonal of a parallelogram do? What can diagonal of a parallelogram do? What can diagonal of a parallelogram do? See, it can divide it into, a diagonal can divide a parallelogram into two triangles also, two congruent triangles also, that triangles can be congruent also, two triangles of equal area also, and all the above. So all the above will be the answer here. D is going to be the correct answer. Okay. So if three angles of a quadrilateral are 70 degree, 95, now you have to tell me what is this degree is written. It is totally blur for me. I am unable to see. And 105 degree. Then the fourth angle is, what is here written, 85 or 95? Can you check this one out? It is totally blur for me. It is looking like 85 for me. 86 for me. It is written 95. Okay, Kanishka. Now tell the answer for this one, beta. If two angles of a quadrilateral are 70 degree, three angles are 70 degree, 95 degree and 105 degree, 0, then 9 plus 10, 7, 17, 270. So 360 minus 270. Option is A is going to be the correct answer. Yes, it is going to be 90. It is going to be 90. Yes. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 2, 3, 6, 7. Then the largest angle of quadrilateral is, which one is going to be the largest angle of quadrilateral? Which one is going to be the largest angle of quadrilateral? 2x plus 3x plus 6x plus 7x if you will take. 5x, 11x, 18x. So 10 is going to be answer. 10 into 7. 2, 3, 5, 6, 5, 11. 11 plus 7. The largest angle of the quadrilateral will be 140 degree. Because here if you are going to take 360 degree, I just wrote that 180 degree, no, 360 degree. 360 degree. Why? Because look here, it is coming as 18x equal to 360 degree. So 18x equal to 360 divided by 18 will be 20. X will be 20 into 7 directly. 20 into 7. C will be coming as the correct answer. Shall we go for this one? In a quadrilateral, 3 angles are in the ratio. Now you have to tell me what is this one. It is looking like 8. What is that? 881 or 331? Can you type and say what is that? My specs are not with me. Please kindly say. It is 8 or 3? 331. Okay. So 336 plus 1, 7x plus 80 equal to 360. Seven x plus 80 equal to 360. So one angle will be 40, then 120, 120, 40. A is going to be the correct answer. Yes, Kanishka, Sharmila, Rahul, Ashwin. Okay. Everyone answer is correct only. It will be A. In a parallelogram ABCD, if angle A equal to, what is the degree given? I don't know. Then angle D will be. In a parallelogram, if angle A equal to, what degree is given? Can you tell me? In a parallelogram, if angle A is equal to this, then what will be D? We know that in a parallelogram, opposite angle ABCD, sum of opposite angle is coming as, adjacent angle sum is exactly 180 degree. So what is the degree given here? What is the degree given here? If you will read it out. Wait, I'll check from here. 60 degree. Okay. So if angle A is coming as 60 degree, we know that x plus 60 will be equal to 180 degree. So it is coming as 120 degree. Yes, Keshav, I got it, but I saw on the mobile itself, it is coming as 120 degree. It is coming as 120 degree, yes. Now, two consecutive angles of parallelogram are in the ratio 1:3. Then the smaller angle is, two consecutive angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 1:3. 1:3 or 1:8 here? Confirm it is 1:3 or 1:8. If it is two consecutive angles of parallelogram, two consecutive angles of a parallelogram, 1:8 or 3? Okay, 1:3. Now, first time itself I said correct. So it is coming as x and 3x. So sum of that will become 4x equal to 180 degree. So x will be equal to 4 4 is 16, 45 degree. So now the smaller angle is, going to be 13. Answer is coming as D. Absolutely correct. The smaller angle is 45 degree. Next is, the two angles of a quadrilateral are 50 degree and 80 degree, and other two angles are in the ratio 8:15. Then the remaining two angles are, so 50 and 80 is 130. Did I read it out correct? It is looking 15 only to me. Check. 8x plus 15x plus 8x plus 15x plus 130 equal to 360. So 360 minus 130, 0, 6 minus 3 is 3 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So 230 divided by 15. 10 is coming. So 10 into 8 will become 80. So one answer will be coming as 80. Another answer will be C is going to be the correct answer. Seriously, my eyes are straining now. Unable to see. Now look here. Next question options are there. Okay. In the given figure, AOB is the diameter of the circle, AC equal to BC, then angle CAB. What will be angle CAB? Quickly say the answer. What will be angle CAB? Shall we start circle now because circle questions were left? What will be angle CAB? Start answering the question, I think. Yes, angle CAB will be 45 degree. Why? Because this is 90 degree. And if this side will be equal to this side, then angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. It will be x, it will be x. X. So x plus 90 will be equal to 180 degree. So 2x will be equal to 90 degree. So x will be equal to 45 degree. So B is going to be the correct answer. Yes. Go for this question. In the given figure, quadrilateral PQRS is there. It's a cyclic quadrilateral. Angle P equal to 80 degree. Then what will be angle R? Cyclic quadrilateral. In cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angle sum is coming as, in cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angle sum is coming as 180 degree. So if this is coming as 80, this is x, then 80 plus x equal to 180 degree. So x will be coming as 100 degree. X is coming as 100 degree. Now in the given figure, if AB is the diameter of circle, then the value of x, AB is the diameter of circle. So 100% we know that this is going to be 90, this is 40 and this is x. So 180 minus 130, x will be going to be 50 degree. Yes, B is going to be the correct answer. Beta, because here 40 is there and we know that angle on a semicircle is right angle. So 40, 90, 130, 130 remaining part is going to come as 50. Now in the given figure, angle ABC is 55 degree. What is angle ADC? ABC is 55 degree. Angles on the same segment. If this is 55 degree, then what will be angle ADC? If this part is 55 degree, what will be angle ADC? ADC will also become 55 degree. So we try to cover as much as some important questions only I have given you today. Now go for this one. In the given figure, the value of y will be what? What will be the value of y? From the center it is making 70 degree. What is x and what is y? From the center it is making 70 degree. What is x, what is y? So first beta, angles on the same segment, x will be equal to y. First thing, if center is exactly from the same arc, whatever angle is subtended at the center, it is double the angle subtended there. So what could be x and y, beta? Yes, correct answer, Rahul. So it is exactly going to be everyone correct. It is answer is 35. Why? Because the half of 70 will become here. So 70 half is 35. So if this is 35, this will also become 35. Absolutely correct. Shall we go for the next question? An equilateral triangle ABC is inscribed in a circle with center O. Equilateral triangle is inscribed. The measure of angle BOC is An equilateral triangle is inscribed with in a circle with center O. The measure of angle if this is 60 degree, what will be this one? Angle BOC. What will be angle BOC? This is equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, each angle will be 60 degree. From the center, what will be the angle? Yes, absolutely, the answer is going to be 120, double of the center part. It is going to be 120. Go for question number 7. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Angle OAB is 30 degree. Angle OCB is 40 degree. So this is coming as 30 degree. This is coming as 40 degree. Then what is angle AOC? What is this angle? First thing is that we know that this is radius and this is radius. So this part will become 30. This is radius and this is radius. Then this part will become 40. Why? Because we know that, this is radius and this is radius. So this part, because angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. So if this is total 70, then what will be this one? Yes, if it is total 70, then what will be that one? 140, double of it. So 140 is going to be the answer. Double of it, so 140 is going to be the answer. Now go for this question. In the given figure, angle OAB is equal to 40 degree. Then what will be angle ACB? You have to find this angle. Come on, tell the answer. You know that this is 40. Since this is radius, so this part will be equal to this. So this will also become 40. If this is 40, this is 40. So this one will become 100. Sum of angles of triangle. If this is 100, then this one will be? A answer should be 50. Absolutely correct. I am going to send this remaining few questions. Before examination, practice these questions. Okay. Before examination, few questions are still left. Because time is there, 7:30. You have to get ready. 9 o'clock, I think you might have exam. Okay. Are you satisfied by the revision, beta? Chapter revision, did you did it okay? Super, Aishwarya. Now everyone tell me first, whatever revisions we have done. Okay? Okay. So, yes, that was a final revision time, and I think my specs were not there, and you know what? Half blind. Just joking. Light is there, na? So much light is there, so screen I am unable to see nicely. So only I am wearing specs because of light only. So that's why this right now only I am going to send this PDF. The remaining questions you are going to see one time. Okay, before writing exam, go for the remaining questions, beta. Okay, all the best. Whatever doubts will be there, ask me. Ashwin, send that question. Keshav, you had doubt in